Hello everyone, and welcome to training tutorial number 2 of the MIL Advanced Training Tutorial Series. As you can see here, I've already completed step number 1, which is setting up the graphic user interface, and we'll continue on with step number 2. Come up to the top and select Rectangle. Insert the value 8.25 by -6. And make sure Anchor to Center is turned off. Select the origin. Select OK. Once this is done, zoom out so you can see your part. Select Line Parallel, select this line sketched to the right hand side, insert the value 1.1 and hit enter. Select this line sketched to the right hand side, insert 1.7 and hit enter. Do the same for this side. Select this line, sketch over to the left, insert the value 1.1, sketch this line, sketch over to the left, give it a value of 1.7. Come up to the top and select this line here. Move this line down and give it a value of 3. Select this line again, move it down and give it a value of 2.185 and hit enter on your keyboard. Select OK when done. Come up to the top and select Circle Center Point. Insert the diameter of 5.125 and hit enter on your keyboard. Then select this midpoint here. Select OK when done. Come up to the top and select Trim Break Extend, and select Trim to Point. Select this curve to this intersection. Select this curve to this intersection here. Once this is done, your part should look as shown. Come over to the left hand side and select Trim to Entities. Select this line to this line, followed by this line to this line. Next, we will do this line to this line, followed by this line to this line here. Your part should look something like this. Come over to the left hand side and select Divide Delete, and delete this line here. When this is done, select OK. Select this line, followed by this line, and just hit delete on your keyboard. Next, come up to the top and make sure you select Wireframe, and select Rectangle. We're going to insert the width of 1.575, hitting enter on our keyboard, and a height of 0.7850, and hit enter again on our keyboard. We will also select Anchor to Center, and we will select this midpoint here. Select OK when done. Come up to the top, and beside Circle Center Point, select Arc 3 Points. Select this midpoint to this midpoint to this midpoint, and again this midpoint to this midpoint to this midpoint here. Once you have this, select OK. Select this line, this line, this line, and this line, and just hit delete on your keyboard. Your part should look something like this. Come up to the top and select Transform, and select Rotate. Select these two arcs, and hit enter on your keyboard. Select Define Center here, and select here. Make sure Copy is selected, and insert an angle of 70, and hit enter on your keyboard. Also, select the direction button twice so you get geometry on both sides. Once this is done, select Apply. Select these two arcs again and select End Selection. Insert an angle of 45 and hit enter on your keyboard. You should have geometry on both sides. Select Apply. Select these two arcs again and select End Selection. Insert an angle of 20. Once you have this, select OK. Come up to the top and select Home and select Clear Colors here. Under Wireframe, under the Modify group, under Trim Break Extend, select the drop-down menu and select Break at Intersection, and highlight this here. Once you have this highlighted, simply hit Enter on your keyboard. We will now go about cleaning up the geometry. Select and delete the lines associated with that of your Mastercam training tutorial. Once they are deleted, your part should look something like this. Select, right-click, and select Fit. Once this is done, come up to the top and select Fillet Entities. Change the radius to 0.0625. Select from here to here, here to here, here to this line, and this line to this line. Once this is done, select OK. And again, if need be, select Fit to Screen.